Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Frederick County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for Tuesday morning, August 21st. Tiger Minutes to kind of keep everybody in the loop of things going on. We have an exciting week this week. We're going through our drills, and today we'll be doing an earthquake drill during Tiger time. We did have an Alive at 25 scheduled for this evening. It has been canceled. I want to encourage all students and community to come out and watch our soccer team play Owensboro tomorrow afternoon here at Tiger Field. Game time's at 5:30. On Thursday, we'll have Graham, our photography company, coming in. They'll be taking our school portrait day. So, you want to dress up and look nice for your portrait for the yearbook. Our volleyball team will be hosting Meade County, the Pink Out. So I'd like to have everybody come out and watch that game. It'll be an exciting game. Our golf team will be hosting Grayson County out at the community center. And our freshman football team will be hosting Davis County at Tiger Field. On Friday, the FCCLA will be going to the Kentucky State Fair. We will have our football team traveling to Grayson County after an exciting win this past week to start the season 1-0 for the first time in 18 years. We've opened the season with a win. We'll wish them good luck as they travel to Grayson County Friday night. And we'd like to wish our golf team good luck on Friday as well as they play North Hardin. Here at the high school, we are getting things going here, starting classes. Went to plenty of classrooms yesterday, and our teachers are diving into content. Students are doing a wonderful job of being engaged in lessons and working hard. So we just really want to encourage them to keep that up. Our goal is not to have get all our students passing the first 9 weeks here and get off to a good start for the school year. That concludes my Tuesday morning wrap up. Everyone have a great day. Work really hard and be a champion.